What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to it, I'm Richie and I'm here to show you guys how to sell on Amazon, how to make money online, how to improve your income so you can quit your 9-to-5 job or do it on a side hustle. So today we're gonna talk about Amazon FBA because I still get people texting me on Instagram regarding Amazon FBA. I have a full video step by step telling you guys how to start Amazon, how to create your Amazon account, how to fulfill your first order. I have a step by step and how to get approved on Amazon. I want you guys to go ahead and watch this full video because it has everything, but I'm gonna go over everything, some key to success and to Amazon FBA, because not everybody is doing the right way and not everybody follow the instructions. Before I get onto all those key, so I told you guys, if you guys still wondering what do you need to get approved on Amazon to create your Amazon account, it's basically you need a bank statement. They can check your address. You need an LLC, any type of business register, open your Amazon account. You just need, if you have your social security, you can open it with your social security. Then Amazon gonna go ahead and ask you for your bank statement. When they ask you the bank statement, they want to verify your address, so make sure the same address on your bank statement is the same address you use for your Amazon business. So when you open your Amazon account, Amazon gonna ask you for your business address. So basically, if you don't have your business, you don't have a business address, so use your home address because that's basically your business address. So make sure the home address you use to create your account is the same address on your bank statement, because a lot of people get denied for it because they use a different address. The second step Amazon gonna do to verify your address, they're gonna send you a code, your address, and then once you put the code, Amazon gonna approve you right away. But some people, they don't get approved right away. Amazon wanna schedule like a meeting with them. So what you do, once you the time for the meeting, you just open your computer and then you're gonna meet with a person. They basically gonna ask you the same information, your bank statement, your address, to verify it's a real person behind the account, is not a robot. That's all you need to get approved on Amazon. I don't understand how people get denied to sell on Amazon, so because that's everything you need. If you still don't get approved, maybe you put something wrong, or maybe you're trying to download your bank statement, Amazon don't accept it. So I do have a Zoom meeting, so I do charge people. I charge people $25 because I don't want to overcharge nobody, so, and it's also my time, so that's why I don't want to do it for free. So if you need help, go ahead, text me on my Instagram, it's right there. So I charge $25 to help you fix any problem you have while opening your Amazon account. Let's get into it. So the key to success on Amazon, if you're doing Amazon FBA, if you want to sell your own product, first thing you need to consider a high demand product. You cannot take any product and then be like you're gonna sell it on Amazon. It's not gonna work like that. You're gonna finally buy a lot of product and it's not end up gonna selling it, and then you're gonna be like, oh, I saw this girl on YouTube, she said nope, no, that's not what I said. You need a high demand product, a product people are looking for, a product that is useful, and a product people gonna use like almost every day. And don't use seasonal item. I mean by seasonal item, I'm Christmas product, Valentine's Day product, Easter product. No, don't use those type of product to do Amazon FBA because you're gonna lose your money, because after Christmas nobody wanna purchase like a Christmas tree, nobody wanna purchase like a Christmas decoration. So make sure the product is high demand and is not seasonal item. The second step is low competition. So if you own your seller, you start selling on Amazon, you cannot go like with a product that a seller is already selling it and this seller has like tens of thousands of reviews, right? Let's say I'm selling this iPhone, right? And there's another seller on Amazon selling the same iPhone, but this seller has like tens of thousands of reviews. You cannot go ahead and start selling this product because this product has a lot of competition. So you're gonna have to do ads in order to sell this product. Make sure the product you wanna sell is low competition, so you're gonna always find the product you're looking for, you're gonna always find there's always someone selling the same product, but at least make sure it's not a lot of competition. My third step is to use an extension. There is a lot of extension now, so you can do product research, but I recommend to use Helium 10 because I use Helium 10, and I also have a discount below if you wanna go ahead and create your account with Helium 10. So what Helium 10 do is basically you can see all the product that's high demand on Amazon. You can see like which seller is selling it. You can see how much a seller is making on this product a month, and you can see how many seller is also selling it. So make sure you guys use Helium 10 to do your product research. Either you want to sell into the beauty, the dogs, anything, the outdoor, anything you wanna, any product you wanna sell on Amazon, make sure Helium 10 to do your research first before you get started. This video, it's not sponsored, it's nothing, I'm just telling you because it's a great extension that you can use to do your product research. A lot of people are creating Amazon FBA. A lot of people are saying they lose a lot of money with Amazon FBA. Actually, yes, you can use a lot of money with Amazon FBA if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so if you're selling a product on Amazon FBA, make sure you can make like at least $15 profit, right? Because Amazon does charge a lot of fee, especially when you're doing Amazon FBA. They have to process your order and inventory if your product is not selling. So make sure you find a product that is like profitable, a product that you can charge 3x time the price you bought it from the inventory. I wanted to let this out because a lot of people are saying, oh, should I quit Amazon FBA? No. Amazon FBA is profitable if you use it the right way. Website, okay? So if you don't have a lot of money, open your Amazon account. There's something called dropshipping on Amazon. How the way dropshipping works, when a customer places an order to your store and then you go ahead place the order onto this website, then once the website ship it, you go on Amazon and tell Amazon this product was shipped, and this person gonna ship this product directly to the customer. Only purchase those items when a customer places an order. So you don't have to buy 1,000 of product, 1,000 of inventory and send them to Amazon or keep it at your house. You guys can go ahead, use this website. It's called woot.com. It's woot.com. So go ahead, place your order, use this website whenever customer purchase their item, and then you can place it. And another thing, if you try to sell product, like product with brand like Nike, Adidas, any sort of product, and you cannot get approved to it, I have something for you guys. So I do charge in order to show you guys how to do it, because Amazon gonna ask you to need to buy it from the manufacturer, so you can show Amazon that you have an invoice. And it's not easy to get approved for this product. I can definitely show you guys how to get approved for those products. So make sure you text me on Instagram, or I can schedule a Zoom meeting for you guys, showing you guys how to get approved. But for this, I do charge for this one. It's not $25. I charge for this one. So if you guys have any question, make sure you guys text me or comment down below. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm so they can know I'm doing my job over here. Okay, so I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. If you have any question, I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.